Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to host a meeting on Google Meet step by step on both the phone and computer. First of all, I'll show you on phone. Open the Google Meet on your phone. Make sure your device is connected to the internet. Then, or in the computer, you can go to the meet.google.com. Make sure you are signed in with your Google account. Step 2 is start a new meeting. Click or tap new meeting. At the bottom, you will see the new option. Click on that. Then create a meeting for later or start an instant meeting or schedule in Google Calendar. You can schedule from here. You can schedule the Google Calendar, the meeting in Google Calendar, or you can simply create a link and share the link to the respective student or person to join your meeting. And share meeting link. After creating the meeting, copy the meeting link and share it with the participant via group call. You can email, chat or any messaging app. This let them join your meeting easily. Now manage meeting. During the meeting, you can mute, unmute the participant, turn on or off or share your screen, and use the chat. Tap the screen on phone or hover over controls on desktop to access this option. Now to end the meeting, when you are done, click leave to exit the meeting, or if you are the host, you can choose end meeting for everyone. And that's it. Now you know how to host a Google meeting. Like, subscribe and hit the bell for more quick tutorials, and I'll see you in next one.